What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a good day. If you're new to my channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. So guys, I am awkwardly sitting on my daughter's floor. I am in her room right now. I am getting ready to take her crib apart. My daughter should have been out of this crib, okay? So we're about to take this apart and set up her new bed. I got so many different things for her room. We're going to literally revamp her bedroom. Right now it is babyfied and she is not a baby anymore. My girl will be 4 in August. I cannot believe it. I said my baby needs a full room makeover. Her favorite color, she has a ton of different favorite colors. Right now I believe it's red and pink. So we chose to stick with pink, and we are going to do Barbie themed. She loves Barbie. Super excited to do this room makeover. So you guys will just see me take her crib apart, set up her new bed, and I have the sheets and everything. So we'll get right into it. The only thing I didn't get was curtains, and those are on the way. We should have those by tomorrow, so I will set those up then, but let's get into it. As you can see, I did a total room makeover for my daughter. I couldn't record everything that I was doing just because it was just the way the setup just wouldn't have been right. I wanted to come on here and explain to you guys everything that I got from my daughter's room, where I purchased it from. I don't exactly remember what the prices were, but I will put the prices in the description below. Let's start off with the bedding, you guys. Like, I absolutely love that Barbie bedding set. It is so cute. I love the color. I love that it's hot pink. I love that it has the Barbie head of Barbie on it, the traditional Barbie head. It's pink and black, and I really kind of wanted like a pink, black, and white vibe going with, you know, just some like random colors throughout. Guys, it is the perfect bedding set. Now, I did buy I believe I bought the comforter separate from the sheets, so they don't come as a set, from what I remember. So with the bedding set, you get the comforter and the pillowcase, and then with the sheet set, you get the sheet, the fitted sheet, and the same pillowcase, which I thought was so odd because it's like, why doesn't it all just come together, you know? I also got her a mattress cover, which is underneath. Of course, all, you know, her bedding and everything. So I got that just in case, of course, she has any accidents or anything, because she is only 3. So accidents are going to continue to happen up until a certain point, of course. So we want to make sure to keep her mattress covered. The actual mattress that I purchased, it's a twin size mattress, and that is also from Amazon. My daughter absolutely loves that mattress. It is very comfortable, you guys, and I wanted to get her one where she felt comfortable, but it also supported her weight and her back, of course, even though she's not that big, but we still wanted something that she would be comfortable in. So I found this mattress on Amazon that had a ton of great reviews. It is like a spring mattress. It is springy. I have even laid in it, and it does support a bunch of weight as well. So I'll put all the specs and everything either here on the screen or in the description down below. Bed frame that she has, I want to talk a little bit about that bed frame. Okay, I purchased that bed frame off of Wayfair for a pretty decent price. However, the color that is portrayed in the model, like in the picture, is not the same color that I was expecting. So I was a little bit taken back by that, and it was funny because I was kind of contemplating between the pink and the white, and I said, let's go for the pink, right? She should like, I would expect her to like pink for a while, right? Because she loves pink. It's not the shade of pink that I was expecting, so it is a little bit off. I feel like it kind of offsets her room a little bit. We decided to just go with it and keep it and not go through the hassle of returning it, because we can also switch up her comforter and sheets if she wants eventually anyway. It's a pink bed frame, who cares, right? Another thing about the bed frame is, and I don't know if you guys will see this when I'm putting the bed frame together, but there are like these little tabs that keep the bars in place where you would lay your mattress on, and I don't like that because they come out, and to me that's not safe. If they're able to come out without her touching them or doing anything to them, they shouldn't be able to just come out. And I mean, all she does is sleep in it and they just come out somehow. So I'm not a fan of that. I've actually thought about maybe hot gluing them on just so that the bars don't fall out. I haven't had any of them fall out, even with those little black tabs that keep the bars in place. But just for safety precaution, like, I don't want my kid getting hurt. I don't think it's so serious to where like we need to return it. I think with me hot gluing it would solve the problem, just to make sure that they are kept in place. We don't have a box spring on the frame. It's just her mattress, which is totally fine. It works perfectly. Her mattress is, I believe, 8 inches thick. I've even laid in the bed. So it's perfect. It's literally perfect without a box spring that you don't need. I also purchased these dresser knobs from Amazon, and they're pink and they match her room. So cute. I went ahead and purchased those and they fit perfectly. One thing that I liked about the dresser knobs is that they do come with 2 different screw sizes. They come with a longer screw size and a smaller screw size. I had to end up using the longer one just because of how her dresser's made, and they fit so perfectly. And I'll insert a clip right here of what they look like close up. I wanted to add that for like a little dazzle on her dresser to kind of make it more pink. But let's talk about the rug. So the rug that I got is also from Amazon. I love Amazon because it's just like a one-stop shop. We got this rug from Amazon, and it took me a while to search because I wanted to find the perfect rug, something that wasn't gonna break my pockets. You guys, that rug that we got, it is so cute. It is like a shaggy rug, and it's pink and white, and it's hot pink at that, so it matched perfectly with her bedding set. And I love the design of the rug as well. It is a 4x6, and I thought maybe the 4x6 would be a little bit too small because my daughter's room isn't tiny. It's a decent room size for her, so I wanted to get her something that was gonna take up some space, but it was perfect. The 4x6 was literally perfect. Between her bed and her dresser, it's like the perfect size. Absolutely loved it. So cute. I've already had to actually clean it because my daughter did something she wasn't supposed to do and got stuff all over her rug, so I had to use my carpet cleaner to clean it. Even just cleaning it, I had no issues. The shags didn't come up or anything, you guys. Like, so I was actually really shocked about that. And we just let it air dry and it dried perfectly, and it doesn't even look like anything happened. So absolutely love that. Good, great quality, and my daughter loves it too because it's so soft. Let's talk about the curtains. So the curtains I also got from Amazon. Super cute, matches her room and her bedding, everything perfectly. Instead of just getting 2 curtains, I wanted to put a sheer one in the middle, but I didn't want it to just be like a plain sheer curtain. I wanted something that had like some decorative like style on it. I found this like white sheer curtain with like these different color polka dots. I thought it was so cute, you guys. I could not pass it up, and it was so cheap. Like, these sheer curtains were not expensive at all. I did purchase 2 of the, I believe the color of the curtains are raspberry, so I purchased 2 of those in the raspberry color. Super quick and easy to hang her curtains up, and they look so cute. I was originally looking for a Barbie poster, but I couldn't find a Barbie poster at the time. I found this one and it just said girls just want to have fun, and I thought that that was so cute. I decided to purchase that poster, and it's an 8x10, and I just got like a regular 8x10 picture frame from Walmart to put the poster into and just hung it up on our wall. I do eventually want to add extra, like, you know, wall decor and things like that. I wanted something just quick for now, and I thought it was so cute, and it's hot pink with white lettering, so it worked out perfectly. So yeah, you guys, I just wanted to touch on just the specs and give some additional details on some of those items that you've seen in the video for her room makeover. That is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions on any of the items you see in the video, definitely let me know in the comments down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!